Hello, my Wiccan friends. My name is Wiccan Mohan, and welcome to the channel. On today's video, it's a little bit off topic, and it's something that I've been concerned about ever since I saw the news and all that stuff. I've been following this news like every day because it's one of my biggest interests right now. Knowing that the Amazon is being burned, it's been on fire for at least like 18 to 19 days, and it's sad that this animal is are being burned alive. Majority of the animals and all that stuff. It's sad that many trees out there are being burned and all that stuff, and the majority of these trees or plants out there inside the Amazon, many of them we use it for medicinal purpose, and there are many more different plants in there that we don't know they could help us with medicine. Let's put it like that. And knowing that all these indigenous tribes out there suffering because this Amazon is on fire. Yeah, and they are all these indigenous tribes out there. They are devastating because this is the only place that they call home, and this is the only place they know for many years, and all of them call home. This is so sad. This is crucial, and this stuff breaks my heart. You know how I am with Mother Nature. I love Mother Nature a lot, that even I call myself a nature boy. Why? This is the intensest love that I feel for Mother Nature, and seeing the Amazon on fire breaks my heart. Yeah, it breaks my heart. And I know that the only person who was capable of doing such a thing is the president of Brazil. Yeah, the president of Brazil, ever since he was elected as the president of Brazil, he always had this interest on the Amazon. And the interest that he has on the Amazon is to knock all the trees down from the Amazon just to grow cattle or put a cattle farm on its place. Deforesting the Amazon for a cattle farm. This is so sad. That 20 to 25% of the air that we breathe comes from the Amazon. Yeah, and that the Amazon is like a gigantic air condition that keep the world like cool enough. So if we lose the Amazon, the heat is gonna rise up 5 to 7 times more than what it is right now. And yeah, it's crazy. It's devastating. The Amazon is located, the majority of the Amazon is located in Brazil. 60% of the Amazon is part of Brazil. Yeah. So but there are more countries surrounding the Amazon, which is Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. Approximately at the Amazon, there lives in there more than 10 million species of different animals in there, and also plants and insects as well. More than 10 millions. You know, no to the man. And more than half of those, more than half of them call the rainforest a home. Yeah, more than a half of these 10 million species of insects and animals call the rainforest home. You know, this is so sad. It's devastating. You know, there are approximately 3,000 fruits that grow at the Amazon. Yeah. Yeah. Out of these 10 million trees and plants that they are at the Amazon, 3,000 of them are fruits, which they are edible. Yeah. And the other part, the rest of it, are medicinal. Yeah. So it's so sad to see this fire consume the Amazon. Yeah. It's very sad, and it breaks my heart, you know. And I know that Jair Bolsonaro, the president of Brazil, is behind all this, because he was the number one person ever since he was elected who has interest on the Amazon, deforesting the Amazon. You know, so in this video, I'm making this video just to bring this stuff out there, you know. And the Amazon is being burned, and it looks like nobody cares about, you know. Not even the news show pictures or any news feed on TV about the Amazon being burned, with all those animal species being burned alive. This is so crucial. Yeah, this is so crucial. You know, that if we lose the Amazon completely, the world is gonna change. We're gonna have less rain. We are going to have droughts, more flooding. Yeah, exactly. More flooding. The world is gonna change completely if we lose the Amazon. Global warming is gonna skyrocket if the Amazon is consumed completely. Right now, like 16% of the Amazon it already been burned. If the fire reach 20 to 25%, we're gonna lose the Amazon completely. So let's pray to the goddess and God to send lots of rain to this place for this fire to stop. Yeah, because we cannot lose the Amazon. You know, we need the Amazon. Yeah, we need the Amazon. So we cannot let nobody deforesting the Amazon. We cannot let no one to burn the Amazon. You know, this fire is not happening out of the blue. You know, somebody is burning the Amazon, and this somebody, I know that Jair Bolsonaro, the president of Brazil, is doing this. Yeah, is doing this, and so it's been devastating. I've been thinking how I'm gonna make this video. This, as you can see, I'm not happy about. You know, this is sad. Is seeing all this fire happening at the Amazon, and you out here, or me, for example, cannot do anything about it. And nobody is. It looks like nobody cares about that the Amazon is being burned. That if we lose the Amazon completely, the world is gonna take a dramatic change. Yeah. So think about that and help me pray. I've been praying ever since I see the news and all that stuff. So help me pray to the goddess and God, for them to send lots of water to the Amazon to extinguish this fire at the Amazon. Yeah. So this is all for today's topic. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also like, share, and subscribe to my other channel, which the link is gonna be below this video as well. Remember my amino community. Feel free to check it out and be part of my amino community. And yeah, and also my XD shop. Feel free to check it out. And I see you next time with another video for you guys. But for the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Blessed be, and as always, bye bye.